Hi friends, how are you? I'm Mohammad Leon from LeonsBD. Welcome to LeonsBD after a week. In this video, I will show you how to design a notebook or notepad in MS Word 19. In the previous video also I have shown how to design notebook, but in this video I will show you how to design notebook in a different way. Okay, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology and now MS Word series is going on. Without any further ado, let's get started. Here we go. So for designing notebook, at first I'll go to layout. So from here I'll check margin. In my case, normal is selected, so it's okay. And orientation, portrait. Okay. So now I'll go to insert for inserting table, then table. From here I'll take one column and all the rows. Okay. Then just left click. Okay. From here go to layout, then from here increase the height, just 0.3 is okay. So select the all other rows and from here at the same way just increase the height of the row. Okay, so it's okay. So keep your mouse pointer here and press on tab for increasing the number of rows. Tab, tab, tab. Okay, I'm taking more rows. Okay, so taking rows is complete. So now what I'll do, I'll go to table design and from here I'll take this style, table grid light. Okay, so now I will place my mouse pointer here and what I'll do, I will insert the company logo. Okay, so go to insert, from here pictures, from here this device. My picture is located at desktop, so I'm going to desktop. So this is my desert company logo. Okay, select the company logo and from here click on insert. Company logo is inserted. So what I'll do now, I will decrease the size of it little bit. Okay, before that just select the picture from here, then picture format, then position. So I'll keep my position in middle center. Okay, so now what I'll do, wrap text, select behind text from here. So this picture has gone behind of this table. Okay, so see how it looks. Here I will add date. I'll go to here and from here insert, then from here text box, a simple text box. Okay, so now I will write here DATE, date colon, and after that I'll place it here. Okay, now shape outline, no outline. Okay, and here I will add a straight line. So insert, from here shapes, this is straight line. Okay, so I will draw it here and the color should be black. Okay, now what I will do, I will add a rectangular shape here. So again I will go to insert, from here shapes, from here these shapes, rectangular rounded corner. Okay, rectangle rounded corner. So I will draw it here. Then from here shape fill, no fill, and shape outline should be this color, light blue. Okay, I'll decrease the size of it little bit, then I'll adjust according to the content inside it. Okay, now it looks okay. Now I'll go to footer and here I'll write the company name and email of that company. Again go to insert, from here text box, simple text. Here I'm writing the name of the company, LMN Distribution and Transmission Company Limited. Okay, I'll go to next line and here I'll write email, LMN2022@gmail.com, and now I will adjust the size here. I'll take it little bit here and I'll select the text. From here I'll go to home, so I'll do remove space after paragraph. Okay, shape format, from here shape outline should be no outline and I'll change the color differently. So I'm selecting the text, from here home, and from here I'll choose this one. Okay, light blue. and also I will change the font. From here I will change this one, Bun Script, and I will increase the font size to 12, not 12, actually 14. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Okay, I'm clicking here. See how it looks. So at the very first you will see the date, then this is the table. Behind the table you will see the company logo. At bottom you will see the name of the company and email of that company. Okay, so this is how you can design a notebook and a notepad in this simple way. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have any query, just comment in the comment section. I'll try to reply. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The link is given in the description box. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.